South African interviews are a national treasure, not because they go smoothly, but because they never do. From confidence that collapses mid-sentence to accents fighting for their lives.
So, Manje, how old are you?
Now it's 45 years.
You 45 years?
Yeah, it's 45.
For reals?
Yeah.
When were you born?
When are you? I'm lucky. The same as I'm lucky for the Pirates. It's not issue for the Pirates for complaining for the Pirates. Pirates must anyway must lose. Just be happy for the Pirates. Is lose or win is happy.
Also,
yes.
Even if when Pirates loses, you still become happy.
Yeah, you can't be happy. Always, anytime is happy. It's not.
It is not working for us here. It is not, because there is not even anyone who's coming to control the situation or anything that's going on in here.
Not even united, my friend.
Others they are sick. Others they have a low stroke. What if now?
Okay, and the other issue you spoke also about the lack of provision of food. Some guys whom were.
Coach Tobejane, you once said football can kill you. Is that how you feel now after what you just saw?
Yeah, this one is a real death.
How do you explain so many opportunities and no goals today?
Really, I don't know.
The problem.
I think that there's no need for me to explain why I'm the problem. That God tells me is that I am the problem.
Now I'm not here for any other issues. I just need to know where are the pods. That's all I need to know.
Where are the pods?
Yeah.
There's no pods because I made the things that it cannot make that pods to be done.
I don't know if anybody understands.
These guys, Benzani love.
No, I'm their fan, huh? They say they are here to come and see. They are start talking me.
Boring, my father.
I can see, you know, about to or something or what.
Maramu Aribo is a poor fella again.
Yeah.
Fella, we want to
Mr. Zuma, the fact that you took a shower after having unprotected sex with an HIV-positive woman, believing that it would minimize your risk, has really angered AIDS activists. What is your response to their criticism?
But if we have been in the kitchen, my dear, peeling onion, you wash your hands, not so. What was funny about washing your hands after doing something, after washing yourself? What's the problem?
But Mr. Zuma, AIDS is a big problem in this country, and saying things like
and
taking a shower.
Hygiene is a big problem in this country. Clean yourself.
Namhlanje sikhuluma nge-85% yeyikolo la abantwana bangakhokhi if school fees khona.
We talk about 85% where learners do not cook.
Where they don't pay. Well, children don't pay school fees or parents don't pay school fees. That's okay, don't worry.
You wanted them out of the community and that is it. What's the plan now moving forward?
Kwamanje singacela uMasango aqhubeke nayo lenkulumo cishe.
Do you know what's the plan moving forward about in the community?
No, the plan, I can't understand it really. What's the plan about that? The fact how they are related to that lady, the Zimbabwean lady. The fact, I don't know what I don't understand it, how they are related to that lady of Zimbabwe, Mozambican lady.
Okay, it seems that we're speaking about a different situation here, yes. Because you understand that the lady who was found, yes. 25-year-old, was found on the veldt there. Yes. But I'm trying to, by the passage, yes. But what I'm trying to understand.
Thetha nje ukukhulumeni mos.
Uchaza
yakho mos ingxaka intoni ingxaka ukuhlupheka vele yanibona. Uhluphe thetha uhluphe kanjani? Uhlupheka kanjani yakho umsebenzi mos. Akho umsebenzi njani? Ungachazi into kuba mhlawumbe usihlupheka ngantoni ngetrol uzidosa letrol umsebenzi awukho and ungekho umsebenzi nje awunakutya xa ungabe kunamhlanje kuvalwe waziqepha kuvalwe nantoni awazi uba mawutye ntoni. Hayi ndiyazamela vela ndikhothela kaphakathi abadini kanje nanganjani wathi masithini ewe yona sihloniphile le nto kuthiwa mhlawumbe okanye kusala kuba mhlawumbe lesigulo sakhona sikhoyo. Ewe siyasibona khona shema ewe siyasibona
khona injured and is now being taken away by police. Just a few seconds before you came to us. Let's just have a word with this gentleman. Let's come through. What happened to you?
I don't know
what happened to you.
I don't know what the fuck happened. These people just showed up from nowhere and started doing their shit on me. Damn, so many cameras. So they started doing their things. And I lost my phone and shit. No, let us check this.
They just started attacking you?
They just started attacking me. I was just standing there watching everything like everybody else. And then they just showed up from nowhere and just started attacking me. I'm even fucked. I had to freaking run.
Well, we do apologize.
Joined by one of them right about now. My lady, introduce yourself. What is your name?
Conservatious Glamazon with 2 Z's and 3 N's.
Joburg is full.
What I'm saying to you? What I'm saying to you? What I'm saying to you?
Sure, sir.
What I'm saying to you? Tell me now. Tell me now what I'm doing. Oh, what I'm doing? What I'm saying? Tell me now. Okay. I was okay.
Protest today. Why are you here?
I'm here just because Zuma is doing something that is not, I don't understand about it. Serious, I don't need Zuma to be a president. I just want Zuma to fall down actually. Just that guy already is eating our money. He's doing something funny. You know, there's some other people that
It was tough.
I'm so very excited. First of all, I want to thank God to give us the power to win this game. It means a lot to me. It's my first time to carrying the trophy for the Orlando Pirates in the MTN 8. But I'm happy even the supporters, the coming numbers to support us to give us the moral. And then I am so excited. I don't know what I say. I don't know my wife why to behave there at my interview. Ishan is not here with me. I don't know what can I say. But I'm happy the performance of my teammates. And then the coach took the staff and then he told us we must come there and enjoy our game and then don't want to what opponent what they say to us. But let's go there and show them what we are capable to do it.
Mfana kithi awuqali ukuyiwina le ndebe.
Yeah, I am so excited because it's my second time now.
Thank you very much for this, for giving me this. And I appreciate my fans also. My wife and my girlfriend. My wife, sorry to say. I'm so sorry, my wife. Listen, I love you so much. Aya, I love you.
For fear of exposing where you come from, you think twice and consider perspectives.
It sounds like you're pumped up. It sounds like somebody's riled Steve Komphela.
In the olden days when Jesus Christ went on through his lessons, he was never specific in his references. He would always use symbols. Because whenever a symbol is used in a process where something has to be rectified, none of us gets consumed. If I were to refer to somebody who would, I would put it like that because I am. But if I were not, then I'd put it in a way that has respect in what I'm referring to. I hope you understand.
I don't, but I'll ask you about Khumalo. He is back. He's obviously cleared himself from the injury that was bugging him.
It's better that you don't understand, lest I get misinterpreted. Khumalo is in. Utsapo has been rested. The kind of game we play, now going back to tactics, we play in 3 center backs, and by the way, It is a game of the future. And we're playing 4 midfielders and 3 strikers. When you play 1 striker, it is not the same as playing 2 strikers. Not the same as playing 3 strikers. When you play 3 strikers, it's got a different reflection. When you have 4 midfielders, it's better than having 2. When you have 3, it's only about how.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed these hilarious moments, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your favorite clip in the comments. See you in the next video.